Maxie. Hey. Leave him be, Bobby.
Talk to the camera.
Are you a little cold? Body by bud. Max, look at me.
Max. Max. Max.
Caleb, give him a kiss. Make him smile. Ethan, go give Maxie a kiss.
Say, I love you, Max.
I love you, Max.
Go give him a smoocher, buddy, on the lips.
Go give him a kiss.
I'll do it.
Is he getting googly yet?
Uh,
Are you getting googly? Googlies.
hey,
Get googly.
smile for Grandma and Grandpa.
He needs to see your face.
Maxie, please don't hit me, Ethan. Your hands are probably a little cold, bud.
Look at Daddy, Max.
Look at me. Max, right
Googly.
here. Max. No, he's not looking.
What's that working?
All right, Maxie. Sit.
Could probably be more interactive.
Bye, Grandma.
Where's your smiles? Where's your smiles?
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa. Merry Christmas.